Tate, a former professional kickboxing champion and entrepreneur, has shared various insights and advice on starting a company. While I can provide you with some general tips based on common entrepreneurial principles, it's important to note that Andrew Tate's views may vary and should be explored independently. Here are some general guidelines for starting a company. Number 10. Monitor finances and metrics. Keep a close eye on your company's financials, track key performance indicators, KPIs, and regularly review your progress. This will help you identify areas for improvement and make informed business decisions. Number 9. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service and building long-term relationships with your customers. This will help you create a loyal customer base and generate positive word-of-mouth referrals. Number 8. Market and promote. Develop a marketing and promotion strategy to create awareness and attract customers. Leverage various channels, such as social media, content marketing, advertising, public relations, and partnerships, to reach your target audience effectively. Number 7. Iterate and pivot. Based on user feedback and market insights, be willing to iterate and make adjustments to your product, business model, or target market. This flexibility is crucial for adapting to changing customer needs and staying competitive. Number 6. Develop a minimum viable product, MVP. Rather than aiming for a perfect product from the beginning, focus on developing an MVP, a version of your product or service with essential features. This allows you to test the market and gather feedback while minimizing upfront costs. Number 5. Secure adequate funding. Determine how much capital you need to start and grow your company. Explore various funding options, such as self-funding, loans, angel investors, venture capitalists, or crowdfunding, depending on your specific needs and circumstances. Number 4. Build a strong team. Surround yourself with a skilled and dedicated team. Look for individuals who possess expertise in areas where you may lack knowledge and who share your vision for the company. Together, you can complement each other's strengths and work towards a common goal. Number 3. Validate your idea. Before investing significant time and resources, validate your business idea by conducting market research and gathering feedback from potential customers. This will help you determine if there is a demand for your product or service. Number 2. Develop a business plan. Create a comprehensive business plan that outlines your goals, target market, competition, financial projections, and strategies for growth. A well-thought-out plan will provide a roadmap for your company's future. Number 1. Identify a problem. Start by identifying a problem or need in the market that your company can address. This could be a gap in existing products or services, an inefficiency, or an untapped market. Remember that starting a company involves risks, uncertainties, and hard work. It's essential to continuously educate yourself, adapt to market conditions, and stay resilient in the face of challenges.